All right, hello, my children. You're all welcome to today's lesson. And as usual, my name is Mr. Prince Osei. So the dance you just watched, I hope you enjoy it. It's very interesting. Yes, we are still on a discussion on the ethnic groups. We are still talking about the various ethnic groups in Ghana. Who can mention the ethnic groups in Ghana? I know you can remember the Akans, the Evans, the Ga Adangmes, the Guans, and the Moritagmanis. Good. Now, the last time we talked about the ethnic groups, and I hope you can remember some of the key points we mentioned. Now, without wasting my time today, I would like us to look at another ethnic group in Ghana. We're going to talk about the origination of one common ethnic group we have in Ghana. And today we are going to talk about the origination of what? Origination of the Ga Adangmes. The origination of the Ga Adangmes. You know, the Ga Adangmes are one of the common ethnic groups we have in Ghana, and to be specific, in Greater Accra here, you know, we stay with them, so we need to know more about them. We need to know where they migrated from. So this is a picture of the Ga Adangmes, and then the picture you see in the red is their festival. This is how they do their festival, you know, and the picture you see is the dress for their king and the elders of the Gans. And then you can see another picture of their festivals, and you can see some of the elders in the picture. So when you see the kind of dress they wear, it demonstrates those who they are. And I told you ethnic groups can be located or can be addressed based on the kind of food or the dress they wear, as you can see in the picture. Now, who are the Ga Adangmes? Who are the Ga Adangmes? When you talk about the Ga Adangmes, who are they? So the Ga Adangme ethnic group is found along the coast of Ghana and Togo. Along the coast of Ghana and Togo. When I talk about the coast simply means a coastland or a seashore, or coast is simply defined as an area where land and sea meet, okay, or an ocean meets with the land, or let's say a lake meets with a land. We normally call those places and the coastal area. Good. So we are seeing that the Gans migrated from or they are found along the coast of Ghana and Togo. Okay, now let's look at the Ghana map, and then you are going to trace the Ga Adangme ethnic groups. Now the Ga Adangme, part of them or some of them are found along the Volta, and then some also are found in the eastern region. Some also located in the most of them are located in the Greater Accra. So in Ghana, the Ga Adangmes can be found in three regions: the Volta, the eastern, and the Greater Accra, which is their homeland. Okay, so they are found in Greater Accra region, Eastern region, and part of Volta region. Okay, as we talk about, now the Ga Adangme were organized or they were separated into 6 independence groups. One of them is the Greater Accra, we call them the Gamashi, the Gamashi. Others are the Osu, we have the La, and then the Tishi, we have the Nungwa, and we have the Tema people. All these people form part of the Ga Adangmes or the Gas. We also hold a picture of Greater Accra, and all these depots are located in various parts in Accra here. Okay, now Accra became the most prominent Ga Adangme towns and is now the heartbeat and the capital of Ghana. As usual, we all know Accra is the capital town of Ghana or the heartbeat of Ghana, and this is where the Ga Adangmes are found. Now, as you see, the heartbeat of Ghana is where the Flagstaff House or the Jubilee House is located. Okay. Now let's look at the origination or the where the Ga Adangmes migrated from. I told you, they were not found in Ghana originally, so they had to move from one place to another. So the Gans originally was not found in Ghana; they were found somewhere. So they moved from one place to another before they came to Ghana here. So the Ga Adangme ethnic group is believed to have migrated from Israel. Yes, according to history, the Gans migrated from Israel. Yeah, it is said that they moved as a result of the God's promises to scatter his people among all the nations and the countries. So according to history, the Ga Adangme we see or we are with them in Accra here today were not originally found in Accra here. They moved from Israel, very far distance as a result of God's promises and to scatter people across board. Now, this is a picture of Israel you see in my slide. Good. Now, they traveled. So when they moved from Israel, according to history, they traveled through Egypt and Ethiopia. And in the Ethiopia, they stayed in a place called Gondar province, where the Blue Nile takes its source. Now, this is where they call the name Nai Ulomo, meaning the high priest of Nile. And the Ga Adangmes were forced out of Ethiopia by people we call the Assyrians. Okay, so the Gans were moved from Egypt and they passed through Ethiopia. When they came to a place they called the Gondar province where the brood now, then they stayed there for a while. And whilst they were staying there, they gave them a name called the Nai Ulomo, meaning the high priest of Nile. I mean, they stay at the river Nile or at the force of Nile for a while, and they moved. Now, why did they move? Because people of the Assyrians would attack them. They forced them to leave. So the guys to continue their journey. So they left there and they moved. They moved through the Sudan and the Niger, then to the Ilefe in Nigeria. So when the Assyrians sacked them from the Ethiopia or from the river Nile place, they also walked and they passed through Sudan and they came to stay in Nigeria, a place called Ilefe in Nigeria. Then they also moved and settled at Dahomey in Benin, at Huati in Togo for a short period of time. So the Gans, they moved from a very far distance, okay, and they came to stay at a place called the Dahomey in Benin and at Huati in Togo for a short period of time. Isn't it interesting? It's very interesting. Now the Ga Adangmes crossed the Volta River soon and then entered the Old Pond and the Akuse area. The group later moved to Osudoku and Shai Hills. This long journey of the Ga Adangme ethnic group was led by their king called King Ayikushi. So the Gans traveled a far distance before they came to Ghana. And when they came to Ghana, they passed through the Volta River before they entered into the pond and the Akuse area in Ghana here. The group later moved to Osudoku Hills and then they came to the Shai Hills. So this long journey of the Ga Adangmes, they were led by some leaders. And one of the popular kings is called King Ayikushi. This king, I've searched for his picture on the internet, but the picture I'm not getting doesn't resemble him. So you can also search for King Ayikushi on the internet so that you can see the image of this great king who led the Ga Adangmes to settle in Ghana. Now, today my video is going to be short because the history, the story, we are going to meet on Zoom to discuss more about this particular Ga Adangme. Now, before you go, let's look at these keywords on my screen. So the keywords, I want you to write them down and learn them this week is what we call migration. Migration is spelled M-I-G-R-A-T-I-O-N. Migration simply means the movement of people from one place to another, as I said the last time in our lesson. The second one is Israel. Israel is a native or the national of Israel. So a person who stays in Israel is called Israeli or Israelite. Good. And the one of the key word is the originate. So originate means the beginning of some group of people or where group of people started from. So we see originate, it simply means where a particular group of people started from. Okay. We also have scatter. Scatter, to separate or to move in different directions. So the Ga-Dangmes were scattered, meaning they moved in different directions. We also have the coastal, and I explained the coastal to you in the video. Coastal is also known as the seashore or the coastline. It's defined as a place where land and sea or lake meet. Okay, so always those places where sea or lake or yeah, they meet with the land is called what? Coastal. So today, I will not bother you with much, with much talks. You meet on Zoom and discuss more. So visit the ProLearn and then read more about the Ga Adangme. You can also do a lot of history and a lot of research about the Ga Adangme. You can ask Daddy and Mommy to tell you more about the Ga Adangme, why they moved from Israel, the things they went through. They went through a lot. It didn't take them a month or a year to reach Ghana here. It took them several years before reaching Ghana here. And when they came to Ghana, they also separated into different groups. And when they came to Ghana, the Ga Adangme had been what? Been put into several groups. Though we have one Ga Adangme, but we have those who stay in Accra here. We have the Gamashi, we have the Su, we have the La, we have the Teshi, the Ngwa, the Tema. Though they all speak the Ga language, but they have different people. They all have their kings, they all have yes, they all celebrate their festivals. So we will dive more deep into the Ga Adangme history. So you can continue to enjoy the video I was showing you about the Ga Adangme. Can still enjoy it. So when you meet on Zoom, you will continue more. Okay. So stay blessed and enjoy yourself. All right. So bye bye for now. We will meet later. Bye.